All right, guys, 1998 Chevy Suburban 1500. 5.7. As you guys can see, it's got a brand new engine in it, transmission. It's his dad's car. He's had it forever. And he said, I ain't getting rid of it. I love it. So that's what he's doing. Got factory aftermarket converters on each side. Then what we did is true dualed it with an X-pipe, BORLA Pro accesses, and then 2 1/4 tailpipes out the back on each side. There's the part number on the BORLA, 40344. Be a link in the description. And then he brought his own tips also, 20241 for the tips if you guys want them. There'll be links for everything in the description if we can find it. That's what it looks like after. So it's true dual all the way back with BORLA Pro accesses. 2 1/4. That's the muffler we cut off, and that's the tailpipe we cut off right there. So it's nice and clean. It's all done. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, please subscribe, like, and comment. It's quiet. That's what you guys wanted. Oh, there's the pop. It's coming. Change the gas. What's wrong with the old engine?
I don't think anything like that.
Are you sure? It didn't blow a valve or drop the... Okay, cylinder. Go ahead. Yeah, it's getting loud. It's not bad. Here we go. Right at 99. He didn't want it too loud anyway, so came out nice. Again. And when it breaks in about 30 days, it gets a little bit louder. Go ahead and back it up when you're ready. That's nice, clean sound. Is he going to be the driver?
Yeah,
It's perfect for it. It's not overbearing. It's clean. Again?
I like it though.
Yeah, it's nice. Let you guys hear on the inside. Chevy Suburban. BORLA Pro Access True Duals. All the way from Wisconsin, baby. Have a good one, guys. That's perfect.